Step 2 is to record what you know. This is an important step because you need to pull together some background information from previous lessons. And if you've taken some notes, you probably have some of this already. But the background information is used so that you can give examples in your writing as you are constructing your DBQ. So the first part of this is to list everything you know that relates to the topic in the essay question. And you can do this by making lists. You can create a word web for each of the topics. You can make a list, which is what I'm going to demonstrate, but you need to make sure you stay within the time period of the question. Remember, the time period is the early 1800s. All right, the next part is to review the following lessons. You had 5 lessons that started in 2.01 through 2.05, and they're listed in your writing guide. And then you're going to add to your list or word web any additional relevant information you find. Be sure you add anything that fits the topic. Also, if you want to see an example of how to complete this step, or the step 1 in the previous part of this, you can look at Kaya's essay, which is the PDF file that you can find in the first lesson module. So let me give you an example of how I would record what I know about the 5 lessons that were from the beginning of this unit. I would have a document. You can do this on paper. You can do it in a Word document. I put a note to remind myself that this is the 1800s that we're looking at. Lesson 1, this is 2.01, was revolutionary inventions. And I would list everything under here that I learned about revolutionary inventions. 2.02 was transportation and travel. I would list everything that I learned about transportation and travel from that lesson in this spot. 2.03 was the lesson on steaming, again, listing everything that I learned. 2.04, cities grow all around. List everything you know there. And then 2.05, mills and mines, list everything that you learned about mills and mines. I will put a graphic organizer for you in this lesson for step 2 that you can print off or that you can use. It will look very similar to this one that I have demonstrated with here. Now go back through the lessons and start recording your background information that you are going to need in step 2.